Assalamu alaikum. This video is for 7.2, subtopic 7.2. The critical angle between water n equal 1.33 and the air, which is n equal 1. Now, critical angle sine theta critical equal to n over n. Now, which n is at the top, which one n is at the bottom? We need to understand that sine theta is always less than 1. Whatever is the angle, sine the angle is always less than 1. So the denominator will have the smaller index of refraction. That mathematics talks. But for physics, we say n2 over n1. So sine theta critical is 1 over 1.33. So theta critical equal to sine inverse 1 over 1.33. And using the calculator, you can find that the answer is theta critical 48.8 degrees. Okay, now next question. Read it, please. Now, the angle of incidence of the light is equal to the critical angle. So in this case, which light ray will represent the right drawing? If the angle of incidence equal to the critical angle, in this case, the light will continue with the C. I mean, if this is the critical angle, then the light will go like this. Clear? Now, the second part. If the angle of incidence is less than the critical angle, if it's less than, if this one, theta is less than a critical angle, actually it will go like this. So it will refract, right? Because if it's less than critical angle, it will refract. So the answer is D. Now, what if it's greater than critical angle? Yani if theta is greater than, theta is greater than critical angle. In this case, it will reflect. So we have here two options. It will reflect with like A or like B. Which one is right? Actually, we know that angle of refraction should equal to the angle of incidence. So A clearly has smaller angle. Look at A here. This angle is small. But B will have angle equal to the angle of incidence. So B is the right answer. Hopefully this is clear. Inshallah. Next question. Now, light passes through from glass block of refractive index 3/2 into air. Find the critical angle. As we said before, critical angle sine theta critical equal to n2 over n1. n2 is the air. So 1 over N1, which is 3 over 2. That means 2 over 3. Theta critical equals sine inverse 2 over 3, and that's equal to 41.8 degrees. Okay, next question. 3 rays of light are incident on the boundary between the glass block and air. The angle of incidence are different. Okay. What is the possible critical angle for light in the glass? Actually, we know that if the angle equal to critical angle, then the light will continue. Let's say, actually, I will draw it in the right place here. If this is a critical angle, then the light will go like this. If it's reflected, then the angle is greater than the critical angle. If it's refracted, then the angle is less than critical angle, the incident angle, I mean. Now, يعني if the incident angle is greater than critical angle, we will have reflection. If critical incident angle is less than critical angle, we will have refraction. So that means 20, we have refraction. So 20 is less than critical angle. 40, we have refraction. So it's less than critical angle. So critical angle is greater than 40. Now 50, we have total internal reflection. So the angle 50 is greater than the critical angle. So the critical angle is less than 50 and more than 40. Here, critical angle is less than 50 because 50 is greater than the critical angle. That's why we have total internal reflection. And 40 is less than critical angle. So critical angle is greater than 40 because here we have refraction. So the right answer is C. The angle should be between 40 and 50. So the only one in the options is 42, which is يعني the only answer that makes sense. Now, here والله this question needs يعني to be memorized more than يعني you have to memorize this information. The red color and the violet color, which one will refract more? Actually, the red color will refract less, and then yellow, and then violet color. So the answer is B. So because the less refraction will be with red, the higher refraction will be with violet color. Okay. That's it. Thank you. And inshallah, next video will be for 7.3.